Hey, good morning, everybody. I hope that you're having a wonderful morning, loving it out here. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous day. And today I'm going to do a little preview and a review of one of the homes that we have here at the Oak Creek Home Center. It's called the Cheyenne. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home that packs a lot of features into the home. We do have the home that you're going to look at today on sale here at the display center for an incredibly good savings, available for immediate shipment. So if you have an opportunity and can come down today and do a tour with us, we would love to have you stop in, look around. We'll be here from 9 o'clock this morning until 6 o'clock this evening and be happy to help you around. So what I'm going to do is turn the camera around, show you a little bit about the exterior of the Cheyenne, and then we'll step inside and walk through the house. So this home is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. Here on the exterior of the home, you'll see that we've done the combination of the lap siding with the standard 50-year warranty exterior siding from Smart Panel. This home's got the accent shutters on it. We've put this home up next to a covered awning, which is really, really nice. But the home, as I mentioned, is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's got a really awesome presentation when you come in. So we'll try and get away from some of this traffic noise and step up on the inside. So when you come into the home, one of the things that I really like, and a lot of people have really enjoyed about this home, is this wonderful open floor plan. You've got a really large front living room that's able to accommodate, like we put in this large sectional. You can put a fireplace here on this wall or in the corner if you want to do a fireplace. It's an 8-foot tall ceiling with finished textured finish on it. You'll see the LED lights for high efficiency. And then the vents are in the ceiling for your heating and cooling systems, so you can not have to worry so much about your furniture placement. But what do you guys think about this kitchen presentation? I just think it's really cool. Lots of open space, plenty of room for family to gather around. Going to walk up here and give you another kind of a view of it. I want to show you the floor plan that we'll be walking through today. This is the Cheyenne, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and you'll see in that upper right-hand corner, that's an optional master bathroom feature that we have, and that's what this home is equipped with. So I'll show that to you here in a minute. Now this big island is really excellent. It gives you a lot of space for bar stool seating, lots of preparation space. You'll see the plug there in the end of the island so you can use it for food preparation. And then when you come through this kitchen, you've got a lot of cabinet space and storage space. It's got the big double windows above the sink. The gooseneck faucet is a pull-out. Microwave is built in. Do you like the cubbies overhead for the storage and for the knickknacks? I think it's pretty cool. So when you come around, again, this home is really, really a really nice, kind of a great room, but a big open living room here in the front. Now, customers get to choose all of their colors, their decor choices for countertops, cabinetry, flooring, all of that stuff. The flooring that's in here, I think, is a really pretty distressed barnwood. Really, really like it. And then they've done a ceramic tile backsplash that goes all the way around this kitchen. And then I like what they did here at the range. That backsplash goes all the way up. Now, while we're talking about appliances, you do have options for stainless steel. You can do the black appliances. You can do smooth top cooktops. You can do gas cooktops if you want. So it really does give you a really, really nice option package. Hey, good morning, Amber. Good to see you here. So I'm going to walk back through. I want to show you what, before I do, I'm going to show you one more feature here in the kitchen I think is pretty impressive. How many people out there like to have a pantry? If you like a pantry, you will love this big storage pantry. Now, it not only walks in, but this is a walk-around pantry because it continues on all the way around in here. And I wish I could give you just a perspective of how really big this thing is, but it is just huge. Lots and lots of storage here in the kitchen area. Come back around through that living room. Now you do have the option, like here in this home, you've got the linoleum flooring here and the carpet here. If you prefer to have no carpet, that's an option that's available to you. When you come down to the kids' rooms area or the guest bedrooms, you've got a really large guest bath that's done with a dual vanity sink, which is larger than most of them that you see. Each of the vanities has its own mirror. And then you've got the tub shower combination over on this side. And if you wish, you can do a single piece fiberglass tub shower combination or just do a shower. But the bedrooms are all really good sized. The 2-inch mini blinds that are in here are standard. And again, you've got the vents up in the ceilings so you can have the freedom of your furniture placement. I'll give you a look at this bedroom across the way here. It's another really good sized bedroom. It's got good closets. Now, the closets I like here on the center part of the house because you have the option then of double stacking those hanging rods if you want to increase the hanging space. And when we come through, back up through the living room, again, as I mentioned, you can put a fireplace here in the living room if you wish. You also have the option for some different wall finishes for those that want to do away with the batten strips and go with the tape and textured finish. That's available in this home. And I think one of the most impressive parts of this house is this enormous master bedroom. Now, this master bedroom is really, really, really big, just short of 19 feet across. Again, ceiling fan is mounted. You've got a large walk-in closet that's here in the master bedroom. There's an option if you want to take that closet and turn it into a private study. You can do that, but this is a really big walk-in closet standing in here. The coat hangers don't come with it, sorry, but gives you a lot of hanging space here in the closet. And then when you come back to the master bathroom, it's a double door entry with dual vanities, drawer bank in between, and then this just keeps giving to you. You've got a really cool open knee space vanity area with the dual tower cabinets for linen storage. You've got the hideaway commode, which is around the corner. And then this big soaker tub. Who couldn't relax in that? I love it. A big 72-inch soaker tub with the privacy windows over the top of it to bring in the natural light. And then when you come back around that little island where the vanities are at, you've got a bench seat down here and towel hooks with another set of cubbies. Now I want you to get a look at this shower. Remember, this is the optional bathroom, but this shower is just huge. Try and give you a little bit better perspective. But this is about a 72-inch shower. It's got the big tower shower head, so you can spend some time in there relaxing. There at the side, you'll see the pull-out shower wand, which is super, super handy. But just a really, really nice installation. Again, here's that bench seat with the cubbies, towel racks. And then it's got a second really big closet back here next to the shower in the bathroom, so there's no more fights over who gets what closet. You've got two of them to pick from, and then there is a seasonal storage closet actually inside the closet, additional storage space for seasonal items or perhaps a gun safe, maybe something like that. As I mentioned earlier, this home is on sale. It's available for purchase right off of the lot for folks that want to try and get something done quickly. We do have a really good group of lenders that we work with. We can do everything from VA, FHA, USDA, conventional, and even some what we call non-conforming or the non-FHA lenders will provide some excellent financing opportunities for folks. If you already have your land, sometimes you can use the land to satisfy the equity requirement, so you may not have to come up with any cash for down payment. If you don't have land, not a worry. We'll be happy to help you with that and try and help you get land home packages put together. We can do all of that for you. Real quick, show you the dining room. Now you can give us a call here. Our phone number is 325-480-0035. We're located at 1210 North Clack in Abilene, Texas. We've got about 20 homes on display, everything from 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom, and we even have several 5-bedroom floor plans that are available to show you if you want to come out for a tour. So I really appreciate you taking the time this morning to tour the Cheyenne. It's a little bit over 2,000 square feet, a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home located here at the Oak Creek Home Center in Abilene. Again, this is Bill Wilkins. I really appreciate you taking time to join me this morning. I hope that you will stop in and give us a tour through. Amber, I appreciate your question. What we'll do is I'll give you a call here as soon as I finish up and kind of go over the special internet pricing for you on the home. You can reach us at 325-480-0035 and look forward to hearing from you guys, and we'll talk to you soon. I hope you enjoyed this edition of our Saturday Home Showcase. This is Bill Wilkins signing off. Hi, Karen, and hello, Raya and Liam. Just wanted to say hi to all my fam. Thanks. Bye-bye.